Hi, welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in Oracle, that is interview question and answer. We are going to see two question and answer. One is views are updatable? Other one is difference between the view and materialized view. This question is a simple one, but this type of questions are asked in interviews regularly. Okay, is views are updatable? I have to say yes, they are updatable, but not always. Views can be updated, but under the certain conditions. First, you should know what is view. I've already created one video for that. I have already posted that. You can go through that video and I will give that link in my description so that you can easily understand what is view. Okay. You should have the basic understanding of the view. Then only you can answer for this question. Okay. View means it's a stored SQL statement. It contains some columns from the base table. Okay. If we don't require all the columns from the base table, we will select some of the columns, either for calculation purpose or for display purpose, whatever be the thing. Okay, so it's called as view. That view, the selected columns should consist of the primary key of the table. Okay, based on which the view has been created, it should contain the primary key, one of the columns in the view. If the view is defined based on one and only table, I think you know about the view. There are two types of view. One is simple view, another one is complex view. Simple view means if the view based on one and only table. If you have selected the columns from only one table, that is called simple view. If you have selected columns from multiple tables, that is called complex view. If your view is based on the complex view, if your view is complex view means, then you cannot update the table. Okay. And if the view contains aggregate functions, groups, etc., then you cannot update it. Apart from these 3 points, there are other points also available. You can go to the Oracle manual so that you can do the extensive study. Okay. I will show that example now so that you can easily understand it. Here, before doing any updation, first we have to know whether the view exists in our schema. That means in our user. Let's go for select start from tab, which will show all the tables. This shows the list of tables, views, synonym, etc. We have to go through this tab type. This shows the table. These are all the tables we have created so far. And view synonym, we have created one synonym. Here is one view, is the emp underscore list. Synonym is there. So the tab type tells about the object, whether it is the table, view, or synonym. So we have to use this query. Select start from tab. The tab type is equal to view. Then we can get the list of views available in our schema. 3 views are available. I am going to take this V2. V2. Then we will see what the view V2 contains. Okay. The view created on the table department. If you want to know the exact content, you can go and see here. See, this is the way how to see the what the user, what the view, the content. We can see the text actually. Okay. Here I'm going to take the V2 as example. Here you can see that. So that view is based on the table called department. Okay. So we are going to update the view. Update means actually it's a virtual table only. It will actually update the base table, which is nothing but department. I'm going to update the location column, that is for the department number 40. I'm going to change it from Texas to Boston. Update. Update view set location equal to Boston, where department number is equal to 40. One row updated. See, that location has got changed from Texas to Boston. Now we can check it in the table also. See, that location got changed from Texas to Boston. So whenever you update that view, the base table will be updated. Okay. Now we will see the difference between view and the materialized view. And for complex view, you cannot do this updation. As it is, we are selecting that column from multiple tables. It is not possible to update the complex view. Now we are going to see the difference between view and the materialized view. Before that, go through the video I have created. What is materialized view? I have given the complete explanation with the example so that you can easily understand and yourself can easily understand the difference between view and materialized view. This has been created for your better understanding. Okay. Your view is a stored SQL statement that I already shown you, and results of the view are not stored in the database. Only for display purpose, we can create the view only for seeing the results, either the sales report or a weekly sales report. For that, the view will be created, but the results are not saved. Here, it is similar to SQL, but the results are stored physically in the database. Whenever it shows the result, that results also stored in the local database. It is not like view. Mainly, view created on the local tables. It will go and access the base table whenever we query the view. Select star from view means it will go and get the data from the base table. So sometimes it may create some performance issues. Okay. But here materialist view mainly created on the remote tables. Remote means far away. That means we are residing in Mumbai and one more, and we are accessing the uh, database. Our company is having a database in multiple places. Means we will be accessing the database in UK. So that is called a remote database or remote tables. Whenever we whenever we access that remote tables or database, it will take more time for connecting, for getting the data. I think you might have faced this type of issue in the real-time environment. As it is having some millions of records, definitely it will take more time. Network load will be there. So in order to make the query fast, to to get the report fast, we need to have one local copy of the data. So whenever the materialized view is created, one underlying table is attached to that materialized view so that the copy of the remote table data will be stored in the local database. That is the important significance of the materialized view. Then another difference is no storage cost, because we are going to access from the base table directly from the table. There is no table attached to the view. No update cost, everything more efficient related to cost. The cost effectiveness is there. Here, storage cost is there. For materialized view, storage cost is there. Update cost is there. Less efficient related to cost. And in regarding the view, we can make use of the views when we need to access the data infrequently. For these weekly sales report, monthly sales report, like that, if you want to generate the weekly sales report, monthly sales report, you can go for the view. But materialized view means when we access the data regularly. That means we are accessing the remote tables. So that daily basis, that materialized view is getting refreshed. Okay, maybe day basis during night time. There is some separate package is available. If you run that package, our materialized view will be updated regularly. Okay, these are all the important difference, and further differences are also there. You can go through the various materials. Okay, these are all the things so far we have seen about whether the view is updatable or not, and difference between view and materialized view. Kindly share my videos and support my channel. We will see in the next video. Thanks. Bye.